Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
Okay, let us now proceed to number 8. I want you to take note, guys, this is the safest, okay, and most convenient and economical route whenever is possible. What is the answer? Economical route, no? Whenever is possible. So what is the answer for this one? Okay, what is the answer for this one? Okay, so yes. Okay, Marigold, Teddy. Okay, you are correct. Yes, Raven, you are correct. Okay, the answer is oral. So this is considered as the safest, most convenient, and economical route. Kasi when you say about inhalation, it is the inhaling of the gaseous na pinoproduce ng isang illegal drugs. Pag sinabi mong iontophoresis, okay, it is the introduction of drug into the deep layer of the skin using a current or electricity, no, small current of electricity sa deep layers of the skin, deep layer of the skin. Okay, doon siya pinapadaan. Yan yung iontophoresis. When you say about topical, it is the direct application, guys. I want you to remember. Parang yung mga pinapahid natin na lotion or alcohol sa ating katawan. So that is topical. Okay? Kaya nga, if you will going to read yung mga label sa topical, nakalagay doon, for external use only. Hindi siya for oral or for inhalation. Yung oral, okay, safest, no, pero syempre kapag hindi rin ito edible o hindi nakakain, syempre meron din na danger sa sarili mo. But I want you to focus sa iontophoresis, guys, ha. Ito yung mahirap na term diyan. Okay? So, yan ay ang keyword niyo diyan, deep layer of the skin with the use of small current of electricity. So, proceed tayo rito. Number 9. Okay, just like what I've said, the introduction of drugs in the deeper layer of the skin with the use of special type of electricity current to took effect. Okay, so yes. Okay, your answer is correct. Yes, Alexander, you're also correct. So, ang sagot ay iontophoresis. Then, the direct application, okay, to the body site, direct application, ang sagot is, yes, topical. Topical ang sagot dito. Okay, yung isang ano dyan, guys, yung tinatawag nating injection. Okay? Gumagamit ka ng syringe. Okay, like for example, ginagawit mo is liquid ecstasy, di ba? Yung bago ngayon, yung in ngayon, liquid ecstasy. Or no, meron tayong mga liquid amphetamines. Okay? Meron ding liquid in cocaine in the form of liquid. So, I want you to meron din tayong mga liquid type of marijuana. So, mga marijuana oil. So, the answer for this one is topical. Okay? Dito tayo. Okay, sige nga. I want you to answer this. The amount needed to produce the side effects, okay, and action desired by an individual who improperly use it. What is the answer? Who improperly use it. So, yung minimal dose, ito yung ano, no? Pag sinabi niyong minimal dose, ito yung pinaka, no, pinaka-little na amount, okay, ng drugs na ite-take mo para maabot mo yung desired effects. Okay? So, yung minimum amount, okay? Sige, 365. Ito ang sagot ng... Ay, okay guys, I'm sorry. Nagkaroon lang ng numbering number. Okay? Skip na natin yung number 11. Wala pa ng number 11. Okay guys? Skip lang natin. So, take note, no? Guys, no? The answer for this one is abusive. Pag sinabi mong minimal, ito yung minimum amount of drugs na iti-take mo, that you will take para ma-attain mo yung desired effects ng drugs. Pag sinabi mong maximum, yung pinaka mataas or the highest amount of drugs that you will take, okay, para makuha mo yung desired effects. Kapag lethal na, okay, it will no, there's a possibility that life will be in danger. Okay, so the answer for this one is abusive. Okay, so let us now proceed to number 13. Okay, when too much drugs of is taken into the physiological system, okay, of the human body, there may be an overextension of its effect. Okay? So, overextension of its effect. So, what is the answer? Yes. Yes, guys. A majority of you, Marigold, Mexico, John, Raven, you are all correct. Okay? That is overdose. The answer is overdose. Kapag allergy, guys, I want you to take note of keyword histamine. So there is some sort of reaction, your body reaction to the to the drug. Okay? So that there is an adverse reaction, adverse effect sa iyo. Like for example, namumula ka, yung iba kumakain na seafoods, no? Namumula yung iba. Kaya nga before na mag-take tayo ng drugs, pinapayuhan tayo ng doktor na magkaroon naman tayo ng allergic reaction test, di ba? So pinapatakan muna yung ating skin para malaman kung may reaction tayo sa ating katawan. Then kapag wala, saka lang natin i-take yung gamot. Okay? So, side effects, no, this is the other reaction, no? Ito yung other reaction sa ating katawan. Aside from the for example, in simpler sense, kapag uminom ka ng isang gamot tulad ng biogesic or mga antibiotics, ang side effects nun, may headache, nahihilo ka. So, yun yung mga side effects, no? So, kapag ginamit mo, magagamot ka but may effect sa yung drugs, pero may side effect yan, no? May ibang epekto sa katawan mo. Pag sinabi mong idiosyncrasy, guys, no? Idiosyncrasy, it means ang isang drug, in simpler sense, ang isang drug, no, ay hindi pare-parehas ng effect sa mga tao. Okay? Pag sinabi mong idiosyncrasy, there is a certain effect to people, no? So, there is a certain effects to an individual. So, I want you to remember that. So, ang drugs hindi pare-parehas ang reaction ng isang tao. Like for example, no, sa drug na morphine, pag ito ay tinake ng male, nagpo-promote ito ng calmness, di ba? So para siyang barbiturate or downers, calmness, Hindi ka, kasi painkiller ang ano eh, ang morphine eh. So magiging relax ka, inactive, so yung di mo mamamanhid yung part na yon, yung katawan mo when you take morphine, because that is a painkiller. Pero yung mga babae, according to study, na kapag nag-take ng morphine, mas nagiging active. Iba yung effect sa kanila, mas nagiging silang active. That is idiosyncrasy. It means merong certain effect siya sa isang people na hindi pare-parehas ang effect nito sa lahat in general. So that is idiosyncrasy. So I want you to remember that, no? Pinapaliwanag ko in a simpler manner. Okay?
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!